Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at the top 5 best car vacuum cleaners of 2025. These vacuums are powerful, portable, cordless, and perfect for keeping your car interior spotless. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Handheld Vacuum 4-in-1 20,000 PA High Power. This 4-in-1 handheld vacuum offers 20,000 PA of suction power, a brushless motor, and multiple functions including vacuuming, air blowing, and pumping. It's rechargeable, compact, and designed for both car and home use. This model stands out because of its versatility. The combination of strong suction and air blower capability makes it suitable for dust, debris, and even inflating or deflating accessories. Its size makes it ideal for tight spaces inside a vehicle. Pros: strong 20,000 PA suction power. 4-in-1 design with blower and pump features. Brushless motor for durability. Lightweight and portable. Great for deep car cleaning. Cons: battery life varies under high suction. Attachments can feel small for large areas. Charging time can be lengthy. Number 2. Cordless Car Vacuum with LED light. This cordless handheld vacuum features strong suction, a built-in LED light for visibility, and a lightweight design. It's rechargeable and works well for cars, home, offices, and pet hair cleanup. This vacuum is perfect for quick cleanups and hard-to-see areas thanks to the LED light. It's compact, easy to store in a glove box, and effective on dust, crumbs, and pet hair. Pros: lightweight and easy to handle. Built-in LED for dark spaces. Strong suction for everyday messes. Cordless and rechargeable. Ideal for car and home use. Cons: not as powerful as high-end models. Smaller dustbin. Best for light to medium cleaning tasks. Number 3. Armor All AA V7 II Cordless Car Vacuum. The Armor All AA V7 II is a compact, cordless vacuum designed for car interiors. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and delivers reliable suction for everyday automotive cleaning. Armor All is well known for car care products, and this vacuum is no exception. It's simple, convenient, and effective for dust, crumbs, and small debris. The compact design makes it easy to store in the trunk or center console. Pros: very portable and lightweight. Easy to store. Reliable for daily car cleaning. Simple, user-friendly design. Good brand reputation. Cons: not built for deep cleaning. Limited suction power. Small debris capacity. Number 4. HOTO 4-in-1 Car Vacuum Cleaner. The HOTO handheld vacuum offers 20,000 PA suction power, a 4-in-1 design, and an electric compressed air blower. It's ideal for cleaning cars, desks, computers, and keyboards, and includes multiple cleaning attachments. This vacuum is designed for users who want both strong suction and precision cleaning. It works exceptionally well for car interiors and detailed areas such as vents, crevices, and electronics. Pros: strong 20,000 PA suction. Compressed air blower included. Versatile 4-in-1 functionality. Excellent for tight spaces and electronics. Premium compact design. Cons: higher price point. Small dustbin. Battery life drains faster on maximum power. Number 5. Zefiro Handheld Car Vacuum. The Zefiro handheld vacuum delivers 22 kPa suction power, includes 2 HEPA filters, 2 nozzles, and a cordless rechargeable design. It's ideal for cars, homes, offices, and pet hair removal. This vacuum combines strong suction with long-term usability thanks to its dual HEPA filters. It's versatile, portable, and effective on dirt, dust, and pet hair, making it a solid all-around option. Pros: powerful 22 kPa suction. Includes 2 washable HEPA filters. Cordless and portable. Versatile nozzles. Great for pet hair and debris. Cons: slightly louder than similar vacuums. Dustbin is small. no blower feature. These were the top 5 best car vacuum cleaners of 2025. Whether you want maximum suction, a compact design, or a multifunction cleaner with a blower or pump, there is an option here for every type of car owner. If this video helped you choose the right vacuum, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.